Hello and welcome to Shopify Express. Today we'll see how we can edit header in Shopify. Theme customization, we are in Shopify OS 2.0 themes, and in your store you have to click on themes and click on customize. After clicking on customize, you will see that there is an option of header available here in the top left side. Under the announcement bar you have to click on header, and in the header you see that you can select a logo of your own choice. So just like this, a logo will be showing here. You can also remove the background by making it transparent, and then another option is color scheme. You can make color background changes to your header like this. Whatever header you want, you can make it here, and then you can change the size of custom logo weight just like this. Any size that fits in your header according to your need. And then desktop logo position, you can make it middle, you can make it top left, top center. So it is at middle left now. You can also make it top left. You can also make it top center like this. So we are just making it middle left for now. And then you have option of menu, how to select menus. If you already have menus created, we have already created menus in our previous videos in the same playlist. You can just add any menu for your home page just like this. These are the menu items we have already created in this main menu, in the navigation, under the theme. So after menu you can select show separate line. You can make it enable or disable, and then you can also make enable sticky header. Like by clicking enable sticky header, you will see that your header will be sticking at the top while you are moving down. So also there is a bottom margin spacing. Like here you see it's 0 but it's not 12, just like this. Like bottom margin means the distance between the margin, like here from the very bottom, how much distance you want to be spaced, you want to be under the header. So here these were the settings available in the header in this video. I hope you guys understand how headers work. After clicking save, we will see how it's looking on our store now. So here is the store header now. I hope you like the video. Do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you can get all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.